Hi everyone, welcome to Grandison Espresso Lounge, your virtual coffee table, a place where we can catch up with our PTs, OTs, nurses, and of course, our partners. My name is Daryl, Marketing Associate at Grandison, and I'll be your host this afternoon. Let's start by saying a quick hello to our live viewers on Zoom and Facebook. Please don't forget to like and share this live session with your family, friends, and batchmates who aspire to work and live in the USA. So let's have a quick recap. Last event, we discussed the Batch 2022 Pwede na sa USA with the top 3 credentialing agencies for the Batch 2022 and up. Today, we showcase another success story from the Grandison Scholar and passed the NPTE in just one take. And so today, join us as we discuss a B Grandison Scholar and pass the NPTE in one take. To help us dive into today's topic, we're excited to introduce our speakers from the Grandison, our marketing supervisor, Miss Shella. Hi, Miss Shella.
Hi, Sir Dario. Thank you so much for inviting me again here at Grandison Espresso Lounge. And hi to our live viewers. Welcome to Grandison Espresso Lounge once again. And I'm Shella, and I am hoping for a very fruitful and exciting discussion for this afternoon.
Okay, thank you for that short self-introduction, Ma'am Shella. From the recruitment department, we have Miss Lori de los Santos. Hi, Miss Lori.
Hi, Sir Daryl. Good afternoon, everyone. Hi, Michelle. Good afternoon. So I'm Lori, one of the recruitment specialists of Grandison.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Our special guest, Mr. Kim Torimero. Hi, sir. Uh, uh, Again, sir, Mr. Kim, open mic, please. Uh,
Hi again. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Kim.
okay, thank you, sir. From GH department, our Miss Yana. Okay, hello, Miss Yana.
Hi, Sir Daryl. Hi, everyone. So, I am Miss Iana Fajardo. So, I am the NPTE Department Head of GH Premier Review Center. So, as you all know, we are the Partner Review Center of Grandison Management when it comes to the NPTE for physical therapists.
Okay, thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you all, ma'am and sir, for joining us. Now that we're all set, I'd like to remind our live viewers that you can ask your question and share your thoughts in the Zoom chat or the Facebook comment section. To start our discussion, let's call Mom Lori. Okay, Mom Lori, the floor is yours.
Ayan. Okay, thank you so much, Sir Daryl. I will just gonna be sharing my screen first. Ayan. Okay. Right. Ayan. So, is my screen visible na ba, Sir Daryl?
Yes, ma'am, visible na.
Okay, ayan. So again, no, I am Lori, one of the recruitment specialists of Grandison, and this afternoon we will be discussing about the sponsorship program of Grandison as to why now is the best time for you aspiring PTs to be a physical therapist in the US. So first off, no, maraming mga PTs na nagsasabi that US for them is the land of opportunities, which is very true, no? Kasi pagdating nyo sa US, there is really a lot for you, no? There are a lot of job opportunities for you kahit saan man kayo pumunta. But sabi nga nila, US is not for everyone as well kasi there are also some factors na nagsastop sa mga PTs natin as to why they are not yet joining Jandason or not yet ready to take the NPTE review and exam. And here are some of those reasons. So for the fresh local board passer, sabi nila, I just passed the PTLE and I feel tired from all the studying, which is very valid reason for you to have naman. So yung iba, no, sa mga local board passers natin, they want to take a break, enjoy their license, enjoy their free time. Pero may iba naman, no, na gustong ituloy ang momentum hanggang NPTE and mag-advance, no, at kunin, no, yung US license. And then we also have PTs na gustong mag-advance ng career nila abroad pero hindi nila alam saan ba sila pupunta. US ba, Australia ba, Middle East, or in Singapore. And then we also have PTs na may mga full-time jobs, so iba sa kanila hindi muna nagre-review for the NPTE kasi usually nagkakaroon ng conflict no sa schedule sa work at ng schedule for the review. But later on, we'll find out that you can do both na then at the same time because of the given schedules that we have for our NPTE review. And then we also have PTs na natatagalan sa process ni Grandason. Well, this is true as well. No, kasi yung visa type na ino-offer na po ni Grandason ay immigrant visa for permanent residency. That means may katagalan din yung magiging process natin kasi we still need to follow the legal process and at the same time fulfill the requirements of the US in order for you to practice your profession there legally. May mga PTs kasi tayo na they thought once they sign up with Grandason, ilang months lang or 1 year after, makakaalis na sila dito sa Philippines. Well, it doesn't work like that. That is why together, let's find the answers in choosing the grandest career path.
Grandison really changed my life.
From recruitment to the end of their contract, we give them everything.
It's been the greatest job that I've had. I started out with a work visa under Grandison, and then they sponsored my residency, and then I became an American citizen, and then I moved up from a staff physical therapist to running a rehab department. Grandison was the one who opened all those doors for me.
We recently brought over a physical therapist that I asked her, how much are you making right now? I ran the numbers. I said, I have some interesting news for you. You'll be making in 7 hours what you made in 30 days in the Philippines.
This is probably the biggest change that will occur in your life. Grandison is here to hold your hand, and there is always someone to reach out to.
We're not dealing with a product, we're not dealing with a computer program, we're dealing with people and people's lives. And every step of the way, we try to take that into account.
I don't think you'll find in any other company or any other place people who care as much as our team does for the PTs and the RNs.
Ayan. Okay, so that's Grandason. Those are the people who will be welcoming you once po na ma-deploy kayo sa US. And yung nakita nyo kanina, those are just some of the perks no, na marireceive nyo once you become part of Grandason. Okay, so of course, if you do have the dream to be a physical therapist in the US, we also have the team to make it happen because we will make sure that you can and you will achieve your hashtag Grand USA journey. So we have Sir Richard Rodriguez, our recruitment supervisor, Ms. Tita Mejarito, our deployment specialist here in the Philippines. And sa US, we do have Ms. Caitlin Terrado, our staffing coordinator, and Altis Silver, our staffing director. Yeah. So first off, sino nga ba si Grandason, no? So Grandason is a US-based staffing agency that sponsor competent and caring skilled healthcare professionals from the Philippines bound for the US. And we are also a world-class US agency for physical therapists, occupational therapists, and then registered nurses. So more than just recruiting and deploying physical and occupational therapists from the Philippines to the US, a first in the healthcare staffing industry offering secure placement. So why secure placement, no? Kasi the moment that a PT signed up with Grandason, while they're here in the Philippines, nagre-review pa lang sila for their NPTE exam sa US to get that US license, no? There is already a job, I mean, guaranteed that is waiting for them in the US. So hindi na sila mamumroblema, no? Hindi ka na mamumroblema kung talaga bang pagdating mo sa US, meron ka ng trabahong madadatnan kasi there is already. Grandison already secured your job in the US. And here's our partners. We have the AAIHR, which stands for the American Association of International Healthcare Recruitment, that promotes legal, ethical, and professional practices for international healthcare recruitment. And then we do have the Corporate Immigration Partners, which is our partner immigration support or immigration law firm. And then we do have the Cave Seshers Manpower and Construction Corporation, which is a local agency here in the Philippines with over 20 years in service of deploying Filipinos abroad. So since the Grandason is a US-based staffing agency, in order for it to legally deploy healthcare professionals from the Philippines bound for the US, nakipag-tie up siya sa local agency dito sa Philippines, which is si CAPES. Kaya lahat ng mga PTs natin are all safe and secured at dumaan sa tamang proseso. And then last but not the least, we do have the GH Premier Review Center. So this is our affiliated review center for NPTE. No, this is where we endorse our Gandison scholars to help them prepare for their TOEFL and not just for their NPTE exam as well. And we have our president, Mr. David Geisman, the man behind Gandason, so a successful entrepreneur, and he himself is a member of the AAIHR. And since 1998, Gandason has started in the US. So mas kilala, mas matagal na siya sa US, and 14 years pa lang siya dito sa Philippines. But in that 14 years, only Gandason was able to continuously deploy physical therapists in the US, even in times of retrogression and pandemic. So let's hear a message from our CEO right here, Mr. Avila.
The Grandison Secure Placement that I'm explaining to everybody is that we are able to give an opportunity that we could secure a placement that no matter at any point, think about it, an occupational therapist is going through the journey. They have the exam that they need to take in the Philippines. Then they also have the TOEFL. If somebody's an occupational therapist that their dream is to earn an American salary, their dream is that they'd like to go to the United States of America, they want a company that's going to hold their hand and take them all the way, then that's somebody that Grandison can work with. For some people it may take 2 years, some people it may take 3 years, but throughout that journey, Grandison has to be able to give you a placement at any time that you're going to come over. Because what's to say, we have PTs that have come over in the last 3 months. But some of those PTs were delayed for different reasons along the way. And when the PT came over to the United States and they sat in the conference room in my office, I explained to them this point that I'm explaining to you, which is that at any time that you would have came over, Grandison had to give you a placement at a facility. And not just any placement. A placement that you could be successful in, a placement that you can stay for the term of your contract with Grandison.
Ayan. Okay, so that's the message from our CEO, Mr. Avi Lang. So here's our partnered care facilities. No, we have more than 100 partner facilities in the US and in most states in the US actually, except the state of California. No, so wala lang kaming partner facility no sa state of California because yung requirements nila for the foreign PTs are quite complicated. No, but in most states in the US we do have, and these are some of them. We have the West Hampton, the Grand Rehabilitation and Nursing Centers, Healthcare, and many more. That is why hindi nyo na po problemahin yung facility na papasukan nyo pag nakarating kayo sa US because napakarami pong partner you have facility, si Grandason. Okay, so what makes Grandison so confident? It's the secure placement that we have. So number one, job security. We have no issues of any abandonment, even in times of retrogression or pandemic. So kahit anong mangyari, retrogression man yan, pandemic man yan, Grandison will really make sure, will really make a way na ma-deploy yung mga PTs natin sa US. Second, employer and visa sponsor. So si Grandeson ang magiging employer at magiging green card sponsor po ninyo. Third, available PWDs, which stands for the prevailing wage determination that is mandated by the U.S. Department of Labor. That is why wala na rin po kaming salary cut or deductions kasi bawal siya, no? Since we are already following the prevailing wage determination that is mandated by the U.S. Department of Labor pagdating sa pagpapasahod sa ating mga PTs na dinedeploy sa mga rehab facilities natin sa US. And then employer interview, wala na kaming employer interview because our clients already trusted us in choosing the healthcare professionals that we will be deploying sa ating mga rehab facilities. Yung pag-attend ng PTs natin sa orientation, that is it, no? So hindi siya employer interview but an orientation for you to know the detailed information about the sponsorship program of Grandison. Okay.
Grandison can guarantee that a PT work is already waiting for you once you arrive in the US. And very crucial and important yon as someone who is coming to the US as an immigrant from scratch. Kasi like from scratch, 'di ba? Nagpunta ka diyan, wala kang background history, alam mo 'yun, wala ka ring credit history and everything. It is important na pagdating mo doon may nag-aabang na work so that you could earn dollars right away. Kasi hindi rin biro na wala kang funds pagdating mo diyan. So if walang work, paano ka mag-earn? So, hindi biro maghanap ng apartment pagdating mo dyan. Hihingin ka ng security deposit apart from your first month's rent. And if you're earning dollars right away because Grandison can guarantee a secured work placement, nakakagaan siya. So, it makes things bearable.
Ayan. So that's one of the testimony of our PT, no, Miss Jody Masigla, who is now in the US as well. So ito, no, may ino-offer din si Grandison na sponsorship up to 100,000 pesos sponsorship for additional subjects or units for those under K to 12 PTs natin na magjo-join kay Grandison because for their deficiencies. Okay? Ayan. And here's the program of Grandison na rin. So we have the acceleration program and the Grand Plan program. So for acceleration program, first step is the boot camp for 2 weeks, no, and then after that, review and exam, and then here's the boot camp, no. So in short, no, boot camp is a serves as a refresher or a warm-up for our PTs and a test of commitment na rin. And also, after that, no, once they passed the NPTE, no, proceed na si PT sa TOEFL. So this is the test of English as a foreign language review and exam. And then, after that, once passed, proceed tayo sa visa screen approval, which is the CGFNS. And then, once approved for the visa screen, proceed tayo sa deployment stage. So, NVC approval, embassy interview, and then departure to the US. And here's the grant sponsorship of Grandison for the acceleration program, and the contract offer is 6,240 contract hours, but we also have deductible overtime hours of 500. And ayan, so why you should start now? So the more you procrastinate, the longer the waiting time will be, and take the NPTE review while your success rate is still higher. And Grandison is here to hold your hand from recruitment to deployment. So what are the success rates in getting license, no? So sa NPTE 99%, sa Australian Physiotherapy Council examination 11%. So NPTE review and exam sponsorship through our affiliated review center GH Premier. So comprehensive and intensive classes for you. There is visa, flight, and hotel accommodation for your examination in the US, online morning and evening classes via Zoom, one-on-one coaching and exclusive in-house review, and then the only review center offering computer-based simulation. So here's the comparison of a self-paying PT compared sa mga Grandison scholars natin, no? Ayan. And then For the tuition fee for comprehensive and tuition fee for intensive, no, so that's a total of 50,000 for self-paying. But with Grandison, they only have to pay one fee of 5,000 pesos, but reimbursable. But the total amount of the um review is being sponsored but now by Grandison. For the credentialing assistance and tourist visa assistance, assistance only for the self-paying PT, and for Grandison scholars, assistance plus processing, of course. And for the tourist visa, we have a 99% approval rating, no? And then accommodation and allowance, airfare ticket, and PT exam, it will be taken care of by the self-paying PT and sponsored for the Grandison scholars. And guaranteed seats for review, one-on-one for NPTE test takers, simulation exam, group coaching, send-off meeting, victory party, immigrant petition filing after passing the NPTE, and secure job placement. No, merong lahat yan, no, sa Grandison scholars natin. And when it comes sa NPTE, exam result, we have a 99% passing rate for Grandison scholars because of the endorsement policy.
Ayan, yes. So speaking of, yan, so sorry Miss Lori if I have to cut you off. So dito muna tayo mag-focus, ma'am. Speaking of NPTE 99% passing rate, ayan, so let's proceed on the highlight of this afternoon event, no? Ayan, so again, hi to our live viewers on Facebook and on Zoom. So our topic for this afternoon is be a Grandison scholar and pass the NPTE in one take. So let me just call on once again Miss Iana, our head of NPTE department, and Sir Kim Torrimero, our special guest for this afternoon. Another champion, yan, from GH. Congratulations, Miss Iana Fajardo, once again for another batch of champions just this July 2024 NPTE exam result. And of course, himself, Sir Kim Torremero. Hi, sir. Congratulations. Kamusta? Yan.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you po. I'm good. I'm good po.
Mm-mm. And of course, hindi lang ako ang excited, but also our viewers and our aspirants here sa Philippines, yung mga PTs natin who get curious, no? And would like to know also your journey. So, sir, pwede bang mag-share ka muna ng short story and journey? How did you prepare for the NPTE?
Actually, I started po as a Grandison Scholar last 2021. So that is like, ano na po, ilang years na po. Pero hindi po ako nakapag-start agad. Nakapag-try lang ako ng first cycle ng comprehensive, pero I stopped because during that time, pandemic pa, ma'am, eh. And then I was under the Department of Health po, full-time. So hindi ko po kaya isabay yung review at the same time yung, ano po, yung trabaho. So I sent a letter po to GH for the meantime to stop temporarily. And then nag-continue lang po ako this 2020, last 2022 lang po actually. 2023, I mean. Nag-end po kasi yung contract ko ng 2022. Bumalik ako sa Grandison ng 2023. Tapos so far din naman po nag-start. 2023 hanggang 2024 po.
Wow, kasi nag-start ka 2021 and ngayon mo siya naipasa yung NPTE natin. And we're glad and grateful na nakapagtuloy ka pa rin even though there are stumbles and falls during the journey kasi may pandemic, may trabaho, and all and so forth. So emotional burden, marami din talaga and troubles. But still, we are happy and great that you are here giving a testimonial to another batch of aspirants to be in your place sooner. All right. So despite of that, sir, no, when we say NPTE, it has always been a USA direction. Is it always been your dream to be in the USA? What inspired you to pursue this career path?
I mean, honestly speaking, hindi naman po talaga siya part ng plan ko. Kasi as much as possible, as a family-oriented person, gusto po magtrabaho near my family. Pero looking at the healthcare system po, how the medical professionals here in the Philippines are compensated, I think yun po, yung nakapagpamotivate sa akin na mag-pursue ng US career. Sabi pa nga po kanina ng orientation nung before sa akin po, sabi pa nga, yung parang 7 hours worth of US salary, makukuha ko yun sa US, tapos equivalent na siya sa 30 days na trabaho dito sa Philippines. So that's a big difference po. If like, kailangan mo talaga siyang i-weigh in. Yun po. So yeah, naging part siya ng plan, practically speaking po.
Actually, yun din ang most of our PT's consideration kung bakit sila nag-US. It is something to do with the career growth and financial stability din talaga. Well, hindi naman natin masisisi because that's reality, no, sir?
Uh-huh.
And despite of that, no, sir, you've been through, no, yung mahabang process, yung mahirap na process. How did it feel, no, na you passed the NPTE in one take? And this is your first attempt, no, sir?
Yes po, yes po.
So how does it feel?
Well, it felt parang hindi nga eh. Parang there's no specific word to describe how I felt back then. Kasi nga, from the struggles that I have, kahit nga ngayon, struggle pa rin. But again, NPTE check na, wala na akong problema dyan. So parang ang saya lang. Hindi ko siya ma-describe, pero parang yung parang nakuhaan ako ng pressure, not just sa sa emotional pressure, at the same time yung parang tinek sa heart ko. Kasi ang hirap po talaga ng process just to take the NPTE, especially if you're a Grandison scholar, because you have many obstacles pa na kailangang pagdaanan, like from comprehensive to intensive, tapos syempre yung NPTE itself. But I am thankful na din kasi I was like guided yung mga advisors ko sa GH na super, hindi lang advisor in name, pero super. Sometimes they extend to being a friend. Especially Ma'am
Yes.
Yana. Shout out to Ma'am Yana.
Ayan, shout out to GH Premier, especially to Miss Iana, na hindi lang basta name yung advisor, sabi mo nga, sir, isinabuhay din nila yung pagiging advisor nila
Opo.
all throughout the journey. Wow. So salute to the GH team din talaga. And of course to you, sir, no? Parang without you, without your effort, your sacrifices, no, going through to that process, simply you are brave enough to go through that process. And yan, so shout out sa mga viewers natin na hindi lang kayo yung nag-struggle at mag-struggle, but you have to prepare bigger and something to do with this, but it is all worth it. Diba, sir?
Yes po.
Ayan, okay.
Worth it.
Speaking of that struggle, sir, can you share what was the biggest challenge you faced during those time that you can specify, and how did you overcome it? And somehow our viewers will relate to that magiging journey rin nila to soon when they have to face the NPTE process.
I think yung pinaka-challenge talaga is like, you have to know yourself na you really have to sacrifice something at one point. If you're really gonna pursue yung American dream. Kasi in my case, I really sacrificed my full-time job.
Oh no, si Sir Kim medyo nagka-technical difficulty lang siya on his end. We will look into that kung nasa na si Sir Kim, kung anong nangyari. Ayan. But for the meantime, while waiting for Sir Kim, hi to our live viewers on Facebook and on Zoom. Yan. So hi tayo sa mga nasa comment section natin. Yan. Hi to Sir Daryl, Sir John Ver. Yan. Please like and share this live session to your families and friends who would like to work and live in the USA and be inspired with one of our successful story, Grandison GH, Sir Kim Toromero, who passed the NPTE in one take. So, ayan. Unfortunately, hindi pa nagbabalik si Sir. Ayan. So, let me just wait for that. Ayan. Okay. Sir Da? Ayan. Nagkaroon lang ng technical difficulty si Sir.
For the
Wait lang natin
meantime.
siya. Ayan.
Alright, this time, sa mga viewers natin dyan na inspired na mag-work and also to live in the USA, this is the right time para ma-pursue nyo yung dream nyo sa to work and live in the USA. Okay? For the meantime,
yan. So, let's just get some gist ng mga nasabi ni Sir that the process is really hard. He fought a lot of struggles during his journey, but he find it worth it because it is his ultimate dream to recover and of course advance his career opportunity, especially in the USA. So, kaya naman ikaw, viewers natin and aspirants natin, if you are still hesitant, afraid of, and if you want an ate, kuya that would like to be your inspiration, in your journey, yan, si Sir Kim may isa sa mga pwede nating maging inspiration. So, let me just quick, out of this Zoom. Sir Dal, let me just quick something. I'll get back. So,
Okay. Again, hello, Ma'am Yana. Ma'am Lori, are you there?
Yes, sir. Hi.
Sorry, no, medyo naputol. So, can you continue your presentation?
Oh, okay, sir. I'll just gonna share my screen ulit. Ayan. Okay, wait lang for a bit. Okay.
So again, sa ating mga live viewers from Zoom and Facebook, don't forget to share and like this live event for today. Ayan naman, visible na.
Okay, sige. So again, so why did Ganderson choose GH Premier Review Center to be our partner review center, to handle our Ganderson scholars, for their NPTE review? Ayan, because all our NPTE academic team are all US licensed PTs already. Okay, so take your NPTE in Hawaii, Guam, or Alaska, all sponsored by Grandason from your tourist visa, airfare to and fro, hotel accommodation, and even your allowances. It will all be sponsored by Grandason. So here's our NPTE passers last April 2024. Ayan, and we do have recently lang, so July 2024 NPTE passers as well. And ito naman for the TOEFL natin, so interactive learning modules, one-on-one coaching sessions, full-length mock tests, small class sizes, TOEFL IBT registration assistance, and top caliber instructors to help you ace the test. Ayan. So choose a partner that will help you get to the US hassle-free.
Grandison kasi yung first na nag-present sa akin. Actually sa amin, marami kami nun eh.
Grandison was the only one who made it sure that I understand the entire process of my US journey.
Grandison at that time when I chose had the best deal, had the best opportunity open to me since they had options to cover for the finances.
And I believe that Grandison would also be my stepping stone in achieving my American dream.
Among all the agencies, Grandison is the one that offers assistance and financing for the whole process of that dream. So this is the reason or the main reason why I choose Grandison.
My name is Melines Pelayo.
I am Mazo Pamili Paralon.
I'm Rona Christine Bayacat.
I'm Paolo.
I am Paula Tavario.
Hi, I'm Lance.
Physical therapist.
This is Grandison.
Ayan, so join us on the road to 400 PTs.
Here at Grandison, career growth is our top priority.
We care about every single physical therapist. We care about every nurse. We are always looking out for their best interests.
We're approaching 400 people to be sent to the US.
I am physical therapist number 1. I was the first that was deployed from the Philippines. They gave me all the opportunities that I have now. They opened all the doors, and I moved up from a physical therapist, I moved up as a clinical director. And then 6 months ago, I got the rehab director position in one of the center's buildings as well.
Grandison has come a long way since our first PT and continues to evolve to meet the needs of both our clients and our physical therapists.
I feel humbled and at the same time proud to be part of this family.
Making their dreams possible is what makes us fulfilled.
It's been extra special because I've seen also how the PTs and how our people were able to adapt to the changes given by the US government.
And I am proud that we have overcome those with the dedication of our PTs and our staffs.
Our NPT review program with our exclusive partner GH Premier has been phenomenal. With an almost 100% pass rate, it has helped us achieve where we are today.
So I am very thankful also to our dear PTs because of them who trusted us, Grandison, to achieve their American dream. Let's be ready with Grandison.
Ayan. Okay, so that's it, Miss Shella, Sir Daryl, about Grandison. Thank you so much.
Yan. Thank you, Miss Lori. Ayan, so guys, going back to Sir Kim, yan, naka-recover na siya. So, nag-brown out lang doon sa area nila, but now he's back. Ayan. Hi, Sir Kim, once again.
Funny nun. Everyone po, I'm currently in Samar.
Okay.
Hello,
So,
ma'am. May audible po ba?
yes, pero medyo choppy ka lang, sir.
Audible po ba
Nagka-cut
ako,
yung...
ma'am?
Yes, sir. However, nagka-cut din yung line mo and as of now, hindi ka namin ma-view. Ayan. So, medyo mabagal lang din to talaga, sir, yung internet connection mo dyan. So, aside from, he is from Samar, so walang electricity ngayon sa kanila. So, he's using a mobile data. But, let's see. Okay. All right. I think, Sir Kim, it is impossible for us to proceed on this time. So we will schedule Sir Kim for another interview session, no, with regards to his journey. But for the meantime, let's take all his lessons and learnings for our aspirants. And this time, no, let's call on Miss Ayana, our head of the NPTE GH department. Ayan, Miss Ayana, thank you so much for accepting our invitation once again to be our guest speaker. So we invited Miss Iyana to debunk and educate us on what endorsement policy program is kasi marami pa rin talaga, ma'am, nag-a-ask and just want to enlighten them once again ano ba yung benefit ng endorsement policy nito. Is it something to do na makakatulong sa kanilang makapasa ng NPTE o magpapatagal lang ng process nila? Okay, without further ado, ayan. Wait, Sir Kim?
Hello. Yes, ma'am. I'm
okay na
back
ba?
finally. Opo.
Ayan. Okay.
Morning
So,
po
Miss
nito,
Ayana, okay
Wait,
lang ba? Let's
Okay,
just
sige,
finish
go.
the two
Yeah.
last questions for Sir
Of course,
Kim.
of course. Yes, yes.
Ayan. So, okay.
I'm really
Guys,
sorry. I'm really
pasensya
sorry
na
po.
kayo sa live viewers natin. Pasensya na kung medyo magulo ang transitioning namin. So, bear with us. But again, ayan, welcome back, alive
Yeah.
and kicking. Yan, Sir Kim Romero. Okay, sir, nag-stop tayo dun sa question na what was the biggest challenge you faced during the NPTE journey and how did you overcome it?
Okay, so disclaimer lang po. Sorry po sa nanonood. I am in summer and it's been raining cats and dogs since yesterday. Opo, hindi ko na kung binabagyo na kami. But to answer your question po, ma'am, I think yung pinaka-struggle ko that time is mentally eh. Kasi I have to resign from my full-time work. I mean, nag-end ng contract, hindi ko rin yung full-time work ko because I know that I really have to focus if gusto ko siyang makuha ng one take lang. So yun po, mentally speaking, yun po yung pinaka-challenge eh. Kasi sabi ko nga sa mga friends ko na are planning to be a scholar din. Sabi ko, if you really wanna pursue being a scholar under Grandison, you should really have not just a strong mind, but a strong heart as well.
Yes.
Kasi nga, hindi siya for the weak heart eh. You really have to endure whatever na mga tasks na ibibigay nila. Kasi it's for the better din naman. For example, in my case, I really took all the challenges that they have given me. Tapos, ito naman yung resulta. Was able to take the NPT exam in just one take lang po. So parang worth it din naman at the end of the day. So yun po, mentally, yun po yung pinaka-struggle. Grabe maglaro yung NPTE, the journey itself ng mental health po ng isang person. Opo.
Kaya naman it is really a congratulations journey
Yes
para sa
po.
mga nakakapasa ng NPT kasi hindi lang yun. And of course, sir, disclaimer lang din sa mga aspirants natin. This is not to give you fear. No, hindi
Yes po,
para
hindi po.
takutin kayo, ha? Pero para ihanda yung heart ninyo and yung mental condition ninyo. It is a conditioning, no, sir, na ito yung
Yes
mga
po.
kailangan yung harapin and you have to prepare yourself. There are sacrifices that you need to isantabi muna, pero it doesn't mean na you will forget what your life is behind, no, when you enter the NPTE. So that's a great take from you, Sir Kim, sa mga viewers natin and sa mga aspirants. Now, sir, can you share which specific aspect of Grandison and GH NPTE review program did you find most beneficial for your exam preparation? So was it in the intensive, tutorial, one-on-one coaching?
Okay, so connecting po yung reply ko po kanina, which is yung struggle ko po, those struggles that I had before, I was able to like overcome everything kasi nga po through the help of GH.
Mm-hmm.
From the lectures po, yun po talaga. If sa part ng review, I think lahat po ng aspect kasi binibuild up ka ng GH Hindi kailangan nagko-comprehensive ka muna para for example, in my case, I graduated last 2018.
Mm-hmm.
So that I think mga 5 years na stagnant
Yes.
kung saan ako pag-refresh ng mind ko. So the comprehensive was very helpful kasi nga it refreshed me from the things that I already forgotten back then, nung 2018, nung pag-graduate ko. Tapos papasok din yung intensive, which is a question-based kind of review. So dun po, hinihimay-himay talaga nila every concept that is possible to come out sa NPTE, binibigay talaga nila lahat ng possible para yung ano po yung confusions ng isang student.
Mm-hmm.
So from the lecture itself, from the advisors, nakatulong po para makombat ko po yung struggles ko during those journey po. Opo, yun po.
Wow, so masasabing sulit yung review
Sulit
coaching
na
yan
sulit.
at session na binibigay ng GH natin. And here
To
you
add
are.
lang din po, ma'am. To add lang din po, ma'am. I think yun pa yung sabi ko po na they go beyond just being an advisor po or a lecturer. Sometimes if may question talaga ako regarding a specific concept, nakakapag-PM ako ng mga past the office hours na, but still GH, same din naman po sa Grandison. Si Ma'am Arlene, minsan nga hindi na siya appropriate na time, but still nagre-reply po sila if kailangan po or like pwede po if available po sila. So yun po.
Wow naman. Parang gusto ko na rin mag-NPTE. Parang gusto ko ma-experience not only yung journey, pero how GH and Grandison supported you all the way of your journey. Now, sir, for the last question, do you have any tips or advice for passing the NPTE on the first try? Our aspirants are watching and would love to hear your insights as they prepare to follow in your footsteps. Siguro hindi lang nila yung magagamit sa NPTE, but also sa local boards nila upcoming this December.
For me, I think kasi nga nung nag-post ng mga passers, there are other scholars po talaga who actually private messaged me asking for advice. Opo, kaya nga nakaka-overwhelm po kasi sabi ko parang hindi naman, ewan ko lang, or I just want to be humble. Pero relating to that question po, I think you just need to stick to your study habit. Kasi nga nakapag-graduate ka naman ng college. So for sure, meron kang study habit na naging habit mo na talaga. Kasi from my experience, I really just stick to my habit po. Yung study habit po nung college ako, dinala ko siya ng yun lang. Kasi hindi ako nagtatanong ng other study habits from other scholars kasi it will make me confused If something is not working, then I think the problem is within me. So, for example, if may akong hindi nakukuha na concept, I really make sure to clarify that particular concept to the lecturer. Kasi I think wala namang ibang makakapag-clarify sa akin nun kundi yung lecturer itself or the lecturer his or himself. So parang ganun po. So yun lang naman po. Just stick to your study habit. Tapos do not be afraid if ever na nandun ka na sa review center or you're already reviewing for the licensure exam. Do not be afraid to clarify. If natatakot ka, i-clarify siya na nandun yung mga classmates mo, I think pwede namang i-message privately yung mga lecturer kasi mas maano siya mas masakit sa dibdib if ever na hindi mo siya clarify tapos lumabas sa NPTE mismo.
Yes.
Yun po yung nakaka-frustrate kasi imagine you are given a specific amount of time sa NPTE tapos pag mayroon kang confusing na item, hindi mo siya pwedeng gugulan ng maraming time because that will eventually eat ng mga possible items na sana na alam mo. So habang wala ka pa sa exam table, sa exam chair, as much as possible, clarify everything.
Mm-hmm.
Yun lang. Do not be afraid to clarify things, speak to your lecturers, talk to your advisors. Tapos, ano lang talaga, siguro 50% pray to God. Kasi nga, di ba, 50-50 naman yan sa tao and then sa Panginoon. Yun po.
Mhm. Wow, ang dami naming take talaga. Kahit ako, feeling ko mag-exam na rin ako soon. Kahit hindi NPTE. That's nice because, yeah, iba-iba yung learning approach ng bawat
Opo.
isa. And you cannot apply what is yours to mine and mine to yours kasi magkaiba tayo ng learning approach. And that's a good thing to catch mga viewers natin, no? You have to know your learning approach, what works best for you and your study habits. So, tama yan. So, once again, thank you so much, Sir Keith, for being with us today. And may mga circumstances lang talaga na uncontrollable, but
I'm really
magpuproceed
sorry
at
po.
magtutuloy-tuloy pa rin. Don't be sorry. We are honored and marami kaming natutunan sa'yo, especially our viewers, yung mga intakes nila. So, kaya sir, thank you so much and we hope to invite you once again in another session here at Grandison Espresso Lounge. So, mag-hi ka muna and mag-bye sa ating mga viewers, sir.
Hello again, I'm Kim, and for those aspiring Gandhi scholars po, do not be afraid. The advisors, the lecturers, the Gandhi admin will help us, and hopefully see you soon sa US po. And bye, and have a good day for everyone. Bye-bye po, ma'am.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye po.
Bye, sir.
Yeah, so that is Sir Kim Toromero. So meron lang siyang appointment no, this afternoon. So he has to exit na yung ating session. So, ayan, so punong-puno ko na ngayon, Sir Daryl, dahil sa mga shinare sa atin ni Sir Kim. Alright, so syempre hindi pa rin tayo matatapos. We have another session, a fruitful discussion with Miss Iana. Finally, Miss Iana, this is it. Yan, the floor is yours.
Ayan. So, mag-share screen ako. Okay. Ayan. Kita na ba yung screen, Ma'am Shella?
Yes, ma'am. Visible na po.
Ayan. Okay. So, bear with me, viewers, no? Medyo nagka-cough kasi ako, no? Pero, I will try my best, no? To deliver this ng maayos. Okay? So, again, as I've mentioned kanina, no, so we are the partner review center of Grandison Management, no, for the NPTE ng mga physical therapists, okay? So be a Grandison scholar and review with GH Premier, no. So nabanggit kanina ni Sir Kim na we have the endorsement criteria, no, for you to get sponsored for Grandison for the NPTE, okay? So first, yan, no? Pakita muna namin, iyabang muna namin, no? So, we have 85% passing rate for first time, no? Takers last July 2024, okay? And for last January and April, yan, no? So, in general, we have 91% passing rate, okay? So, ang goal kasi namin with GH, of course, especially with Grandison scholars, is for you to take the NPTE ng one-time take lang, no? So, parang sure ball talaga na mapapasa nyo yung NPTE, okay? So, last year, guys, no, 2023, so we have a total of 85 Grandison. So, 2023 lang yun, guys, ha? So, 85 Grandison passers, no, na nag-review sa GH Premier. Okay? So, ano ba yung sinasabi kanina pa, no, nababanggit na what is the endorsement policy? Okay? So, for the endorsement policy, this is a guide for you, no? Para, yun nga, sabi ko kanina, our goal is for you to take and pass the NPTE for one take lang. Okay? Sino ba namang gusto, no, na magti-take na naman ulit ng ulit-ulit, no? So talagang goal natin is for you to pass the NPTE for one take only, okay? So of course, may perks tayo, no, as a Grandison scholar na mga nagre-review sa GH Premier, okay? So first is, as a Grandison scholar, you are be able to take all the stages of the NPTE review, no? So ito guys kasi with the NPTE stages, this will serve as a guide for you, no? Para at least hindi ka lost, no? Na for example, you will be you are thinking of to enroll, no, for the NPTE review. So pag ganun kasi iisipin mo pa sa ano ba yung best na program, no, to enroll to. Kailangan ba nasa dadaan muna ako ng comprehensive, no? Kailangan ba, sige, mag-refresh ako ng mga foundational knowledge. Or mag-prepare na talaga ako for the NPTE na question-based review, no? Para at least ready na for the NPTE exam, no? But with as a Grandison Scholar, you will go through all stages, no, of the NPTE review para at least one at a time, no? Mahirap kasi pag sabay-sabay, as in pag pinagsabay mo si compre and intensive, no? Kapag gusto mo mabilisan, mahirapan tayong absorb lahat ng information, no? Nagre-review ka ng foundational knowledge mo, tapos at the same time na yung level of difficulty sa intensive, parang ina-absorb mo pa siya. So, mahirap siya pag ganun, no? So, for Grandison Scholars, you will enter first the bootcamp program, okay? So, sabi kanina ni Miss Lori, medyo struggle ng ibang PTs, no? To think about if mag-pursue na sila ng NPTE review, no? Kasi nga, from the time na mag-pass pa lang sila ng local board exam, no? Parang gusto nga naman nilang magpahinga. And, of course, with the bootcamp program, no? So, ito yung time na parang adjustment period before the review program proper. Okay? So, sa bootcamp program, we focused on the topics, no, na mga sensitive for the exam, no? And of course, para ma-prepare kayo for the NPTE review, no? So, NPTE, guys, is a difficult exam, no? So, iba yung ano niya iba yung approach niya with the local board exam, okay? So, at least with the bootcamp program, may preparation kayo for the NPTE review, o, di ba, guys, no? As a Grandison Scholar, ipe-prepare pa kayo, no? Bago sumabak mismo sa review. Okay? So, kumbaga, hindi nila kayo bibiglain. And then, for the comprehensive program, so this is a 3-month review program where we teach, no, yung mga foundational knowledge that are important, no, for preparation for the NPTE. Okay? So, dyan, pure lectures tayo. And then, for the intensive program, ito na yung question-based natin na type of review. Okay? So, dito, guys, iba-ibang level of difficulty na yung mga encounter nyo na questions and na mga practice exams. And of course, you are being trained na on how to deal with the exam talaga. Okay? So, nandyan na talaga yung time pressure. And then, yun nga, halo-halo na talaga. Kasi at least sa comprehensive, medyo nakakategorize pa yan, no? With intensive review, of course, with the NPT, hindi naman siya nakakategorize per topic, no? So, kahit naman sa local boards, no? As in anything under the sun, yung pwede nyong ma-encounter na topic. So, again, as a Grandison Scholar, madadaanan nyo yan lahat. Okay? So, let's go with the frequently asked questions, no? Ng mga ating students, okay? Sa ating review. So, usually, ang tinatanong, no, will my NPTE review be sponsored? So, of course, as a Grandison Scholar, sagot kayo ni Grandison with your NPTE review. Yan, no? So, ang gagawin nyo na lang is to do your best and focus for the review talaga. Okay? So, yan, sasagutin kayo ni Grandison Management. So, again, review na lang, do your best and focus for the NPTE review, no? Kumbaga, parang college, no? Talagang you need to maintain the grades na lang. Pero, yan, may nagtutuition sa inyo or may nagsusponsor sa inyo for the NPTE review. Okay? And next is, what's next after I pass the NPTE? Okay? So, of course, you will undergo already, no? Immediately after passing the NPTE, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang proseso nyo for your deployment. Okay? So actually guys, totoo yung sinasabi ng Grandison na this is a long-term goal talaga na plano. Okay? For long-term goal talaga. Kasi karamihan, no, ng mga PTs na nagtitake ng NPTE, no, kumbaga they are lost on what's next. Okay? So after the NPTE, yes, no, or PT na ako. However, yung process kasi will not stop hanggang NPTE lang. Okay? So, syempre, kailangan mo pang mag-process ng papers, for the visa, and of course, yung deployment mo. And, yun nga, yung placement mo in the United States, no? So, Hanggang doon, guys, sagot yan as a Grandison Scholar. Okay? Ito ang pinaka-frequent talaga, no, na na-encounter kong question, Ma'am Shella, no? So, when is the ideal time to start the processing for the NPTE ito? Okay? Kasi guys, with the NPTE, this will, or your papers or documents will still undergo credentials review. Okay? So, hindi siya katulad sa locals, no? Noong time ko kasi, Ma'am Shella, magpapasa lang kami ng documents or ng requirements, DOR, sa PRC, pwede na kami, kumbaga registered na kami to take the local boards. However, for the NPTE kasi, it will take you months. Okay? It will take you months to process for the papers, no, for the NPTE. And ito yung usual tinatanong sa akin ng mga paying students, no, yung mga hindi Grandison Scholar. Kailan yung ideal time to start the processing? So, as a Grandison Scholar, you will be guided by the Grandison coordinator. So, ang maganda kasi with Grandison, nagpe-prepare ka na for the NPTE. So, under NPTE review, gumagalaw na rin yung iyong credentials or yung credentials review for the NPTE. So, with that, walang time wasted talaga kasi nagpa-process yung papers mo, then nagre-review ka na, no? Medyo mahirap kasi yung gagawin mo na magre-review ka tapos inaasikaso mo pa yung papers mo, no? With Grandison, magpapasa ka lang sa coordinators ng documents. They will assist you, sila na bahala, no? Kumbaga, yun nga, magre-review ka na lang, uupo ka na lang sa exam, all good ka, no? Ipapasa mo na lang talaga yung exam. So, yun yung maganda as a Grandison Scholar, no? Kumbaga, sila bahala sa'yo, no? Talagang sagot ka nila with your NPTE hanggang sa placement, no? Hanggang placement ng work sa United States. Okay? So, benefits of the endorsement policy tayo, no? So, again, one step at a time sa review timeline. Nabanggit ko na siya before, no? Actually, I think the next slides will be, were already discussed, no? So, one step at a time, i-undergo nyo lahat ng review stages. So, at I think maganda yon para at least hindi ka nga lost, no? So, isa-isa lang muna. Okay? And then, next is the review cost. Okay? So, ayan. Ang NPTE exam is really an expensive exam. Okay? So, kaya si review cost, no? Basta ipasa mo yung mga exams, no? Yung endorsement criteria, sagot na ni Grandison yung review, no? Simula pa lang ng bootcamp program, no? Mga viewers, yan. So, simula bootcamp program hanggang intensive. Sagot yan ni Grandison Management. And in-depth monitoring. Okay? Kulang na nga lang, Ma'am Shella, makilala ko na lahat ng mga students, no? So, talagang isa-isa namin talagang chine-check yung performance ng mga Grandison Scholars, okay, sa review. So, talagang makikilala mo na sila yung performance nila, yung improvement na nangyayari. So, matutuwa kasi makikita mong nag-i-improve talaga sila, no? Sa review journey nila. So, yan, we offer mga grade consultations, no? Kumbaga kami mismo yung minsan lumalapit sa scholars, about sa feedback nila, no? Sa mga exams, yan, yung mga everyday exams natin. And ensures the confidence of the PT to pass the NPTE in one take only. Okay? So, medyo na-intimidate yung mga PTs sa NPTE review, no? Kasi nga, mayroon daw endorsement criteria, no? However, this is to guide you, no? And increase your confidence na mapasa mo lang yung NPTE in just one take. Okay? So, syempre, sino ba namang hindi gusto na take lang ng NPTE for one take, okay? So, syempre, yung effort, no? We all know that the NPTE exam is not taken here in the Philippines, no? So, talagang e-effortan mo siyang to travel abroad, no? Just to take this exam, okay? So, syempre, goal natin is you will take the NPTE na one take lang, okay? And assess the readiness for the NPTE, okay? So, kanina, no, nakita ko doon sa pinresent ni Ma'am Lori, we offer Grandison Scholars, no, ng mga simulations. Okay, multiple simulations para we can assess the readiness for the NPTE. And we assure that yung mga takers namin, every test date ay nakakausap talaga namin personally. And yun, tinatawagan talaga namin sila isa-isa, no, to check up on them, no, kakamustahin namin sila if kamusta ang review nila, and yun, binibigyan din namin sila ng individual and personal feedback regarding their performance if ready na talaga sila to take the NPT. And of course, to boost their motivation and yun, confidence to take the NPT. Okay, kumbaga hindi namin kayo papabayaan sumabak sa gera ng NPT na wala kayong bala, guys, no? So, again, for the NPT review program, we have 99% passing rate, no? Years ago na, no, maganda talaga ang passing rate ng GH Premier when it comes to the NPT. Okay? So, again, one-on-one call with me for the individualized assessment and feedback. And of course, with our NPTE staff, no, our student advisors and lecturers. Sabi nga ni Sir Kim kanina, no, talagang yung mga advisors talaga is kahit hindi na siya like for NPTE, talagang ina-advise nila kayo with your motivation para at least ma-boost din yung confidence nyo to take the NPT. Again, we have multiple simulation exams before the exam. Yan. So, feedbackan din namin yon yung mga exams na yon para at least alam nyo kung ano yung mga topics, no, to further strengthen, and ano na yung mga topics na confident na kami na kayang-kaya nyo na. Okay? And we have scheduled one-on-one coaching with the NPTE lecturers, lalo na kapag may clarifications. We always encourage our students that call out our lecturers, no, kapag may mga confusion sila. Kasi mas maganda na ngayon na nagtatanong kayo with your confusions and clarifications para at least sa exam, wala kayong maiisip na yun. Sabi nga ni Sir Kim kanina na it's better na magtanong kayo sa lecturers kaysa no idea talaga kayo when pagdating na ng NPT. Okay, so we have our send-off call with our Grandison takers and our intensive lecturers and student advisors, no? So hindi lang kumbaga academic advices yan, no? Kung ano yung mga kailangan naming dalhin before the exam, anong kailangang reminders, no, during the exam and even after the exam. Ayan, no? So talagang hindi namin sila pinapabayaan pag sasabak na sila sa NPT. Okay? So again, even years before, no, we have a good passing rate for the NPT. So, that's all, ma'am. Ayan. Thank you, Ma'am Shella.
Yan. Oh, so guys, sobrang detailed nung presentation ni Ma'am Iyana, and all we have to do is to really submit on and comply sa requirements ni GH. Kasi all throughout, no, from the very beginning, di ka pa nagre-review, guided ka na.
Yes.
Nasa review session ka, guided ka pa rin. Doon ka na sa mga difficult times, exams, max exams, guided ka pa rin, and hanggang sa dulo. And hindi lang basta yon guidance, but of course, something to do with you in the long term, no? Yung journey mo na yun, pang long term yung kapalit. So that is GH Premier. Wow. And endorsement policy is not something na para matawag dito, matakot sila, but it is something to do na maging confident sila, to give them assurance not to take their examination katulad ng mga champions natin sa Grandison GH, yan, Premier. And now, ma'am, we are opening the floor for question and answer. Yan, Sir Da.
Okay, before that, again, ma'am, thank you, Ma'am Yana, for the wonderful presentation. Okay, all right, everyone. If you have questions and clarifications, feel free to drop them in the chat box or comment section. And again, hello to our live viewers from Zoom and Facebook. Okay, for the meantime, I received a few direct message, no, to Miss Yana. Hello, Miss Yana. Okay, the question is, as the NPTE head of GH, you seen the impact of the endorsement policy. How significant is it in helping students pass the NPTE compared to self-financing their exam?
Okay. So with self-finance students kasi, kapag pag scholar, we really require them to send their exam scores, no, during the review para at least mas na namin na kumbaga may baseline kami in giving a feedback or during grade consultations, no. With that kasi talagang it reflects, no, yung readiness mo to take the exam. Okay, with the paying students kasi mga nahihiya talaga. And with that, nahihirapan kaming magbigay ng feedback with them based doon sa readiness nila to take the exam. But ayun, again, kailangan maganda kasi talaga na namo-monitor natin in depth. Sabi ko nga kanina, no, mas namo-monitor namin in depth kapag nagpapasa talaga and nagsasubmit sila ng exam scores nila. So, ayun, nagre-reflect talaga yung readiness nila pag i-compare with the NTP.
Okay. Okay, may isa pa tayong question, no, to Ma'am Yana. Do you have any tips or techniques you like to share with our PT aspirants?
Tulad din, ma'am, nung strategies mo nung time na mag-exam ka ng NPTE.
Okay.
Ano yung secret mo? Anong ginawa mo nung time na yun?
Okay. So, for no NPT, actually, I am also a Grandison scholar, no? So, nung time na nagre-review ako, nung comprehensive, I really read all the references, no, na talagang kailangan basahin, no? Kasi with the comprehensive program, that is the time that you have more time to read yung mga books natin, okay? Pagdating sa intensive, ito na kasi yung bakbakan na talaga na exam, no? So at least by that, kailangan study smart na kayo, no? Nagpa-practice exams kayo every day. Okay? Every day talaga nagpa-practice exam. Kasi you are preparing for an exam. No? Hindi ka naman magpa-prepare for a thesis defense or something. No? So, kailangan nagpa-practice exam ka. So, sa intensive part, yun yung time na nagko-question base ako. No? Ang tip ko rin is you write all, no? Write all the information na naiisip nyo. Okay? Kasi yun yung mas may retention. Talagang paulit-ulit lang, pero pag may retention ka kasi, mas maaalala nyo siya, no? And talagang makikinig kayo with the lecturers kasi during exam, maaalala nyo talaga yung parang naririnig nyo silang nagle-lecture habang nag-e-exam. So talagang listen to the lectures, no, during the review.
Okay, those tips and techniques, no? Balita ko nga, ma'am, no? 100% yung score mo during NPTE, 'di ba, ma'am?
Sorry, hindi.
Hindi, 'di ba?
Hindi, iba-iba 'yan. Ibang lecturer. Pero she is one of our lecturers in
Okay. Okay, thank you very much, ma'am. Okay, we have another questions, no? To Ma'am Sheila naman. For the aspiring PTs, how to be a Grandison scholar and start their NPTE with GH Premier.
Okay, to start their journey here at Grandison and be a Grandison scholar, all they have to do is to click the Google form we pin here sa ating comment section. We have a live agent that will direct you to certain recruiters and will book you an online career coaching. So don't worry, our schedules sa mga recruiters natin, we have morning, afternoon, and evening schedules for them ng career coaching or ng USA career orientation. So you don't have to worry. If nasa work ka, pwede kang makinig lang ng orientation, yan, pwede naman tayo dyan.
Flexible talaga si GH Premier. Yeah. Lastly, Ma'am Sheila, what are the benefits of being a Grandison scholar compared to self-financing?
So it has been highlighted already dun sa mga presentations and slide natin sa recruiters, but the simple thing lang, no? When you are here at Grandison, all you have to do is to submit your documents and start reviewing. That's all. While when you were in your self-finance sa ganong part, ikaw yung lahat magpa-process. From the collection of your papers, submission, credentialing process, looking for an agency, credentialing agencies, na kung saan may isasubmit yung requirements mo for you to evaluate your credentials. And from the reviewing, ikaw pa din. And yung isa pa sa mabigat dito is yung magsa-self-finance ka. Lahat gastos mo. No? Hindi lang time-consuming, hassle pa because hindi ka guided. Pangatlo, you don't know your readiness and your effectiveness and you're confident if you are 100% ready na to take the examination because walang guided sa'yo or coordinator na expert pagdating sa field na to. Yan.
Alright, this time to all our viewers.
You are on your mute, sir.
Sorry again. All right, this time to all our viewers natin from the Zoom and Facebook, if you are inspired to work and live in the USA, this is the right time para tuparin ang hashtag American Dream mo. And that's all for our discussion this evening. A huge thank you to Miss Sheila, Miss Yana, Sir Kim Lloyd, and also Miss Lori, and of course to our live viewers for joining us today. It's been truly insightful, encouraging conversation.
Yeah, thank you so much, Sir Daryl. Miss Yana, thank you so much. I know you're not feeling well pero nag-join ka pa rin dito sa ating session. So hope to invite you once again, ma'am, in another Grandis on Espresso Lounge. Yeah, thank you, Miss
Thank
Yana.
you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, to our viewers, for updates and upcoming live events, school tours, and our Grand US Career Orientation, don't forget to follow on our social media accounts on Facebook and Instagram, we're Grandison Therapy, and on YouTube, it's Grandison TV. Once again, my name is Daryl, your host at Grandison Espresso Lounge, na nagsasabi na be a Grandison scholar and pass the NPTE in one take. Okay, goodbye everyone.